Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative. How are you guys doing today? Thanks for stopping by and checking out my channel. And I am here with an old Dollar Tree haul that I have not had a chance to get up because the last couple of weekends been busy. So it's probably about 3 weeks old, but I'll still show you anyway, so I know you already. This is nothing here is anything new. I did open this up. I did buy the storage bags. I got 2 of the large and 1 of the XXLs. So you can get that. Oh, 2 XL too and 2 large. I needed some staples. I don't know why I got 2 packs, but I guess because it looks small, but it's actually 3,000 each, so I only needed 1. Oh, I did get this, you know, my little red. I was like the little, what do you call it? That stuff, sequence, like, you know. So I had the colors, red, white, and green, which I've bought this before, but I got some more. I did pick up this packing paper. Again, you can pack, wrap, ship, craft, all that kind of stuff. I like to use, I know this is like antiquated, but I would take my stamp on it, or with people's names on it. I've used this also with my, oh my gosh, I just lost the name of it. Not just, I'm going to say Spirogram, but it's not. It's green by Inka Dinka Do. This, you know, and you can have that little shape, and you can stamp around those different shapes with the stamps. And you can make your own custom wrapping paper. But you can also do other stuff out of this as well. But that's something sometimes we don't think about. Did get some more tulle, and this is the glittered gray, and then this is the glittered red. Picked up another one of those pumpkin stickers. I also got some more whiteout. Got some of this pure color expressions, and this is a sugar sheer ribbon, and it is, does it say how many feet? It's nylon. Well, it says, oh sorry, 5 yards. I'm looking right at it. 3/8 by 5 yards. Yep. So I just thought the nice little gold shimmer and a sheer. And then I got some of these. I don't know why they're different thicknesses, but they are. Yeah, I don't know. But, you know, they had them in the green, in the blue, in the burgundy, all the different colors. I don't know, I got 2. I thought I had another color, but apparently not. I did get some more of the black Chanel. I just like, you know, the way Chanel feels. And then I got some of the winter colors, which I've had this purple before. And I think I had this color too, which is called Rose. And then I got 2 packs of these Harvest VI words, which I like these because they're nice wood frames, excuse me. It says, give thanks. And you get 6 for $1. Hello Fall, a nice size. You see the size of your hand. You know, you can put these on your wreaths, on different things. I love this one because I am blessed. Welcome Fall, scrapbook pages, tags, iCads, Farm Fresh, canvases, and Hello Autumn. So I thought many purposes for these. So I got 2 packs of those. So I thought those would come in handy. And I believe that is, I think I have some other bags, but that will be it for this haul. And then I will come back with what else I forgot to do a video on. Alright, so thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.